Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Now tap on the settings option to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the system option and tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called connectivity, and once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Now scroll down, find the option called My Networks and select it. And here tap on Search for Networks. The watch will look for the nearby networks, and once it's done you will see the list. Find the network you want to connect to, tap on it to select it, and now you can enter the password for the network. And as you can see, we can enter it on the watch, or if your watch is paired with a phone, you will be basically you will see the pop-up on the screen and you can enter the password on the phone if you want to. I'm gonna enter it on the phone because it's gonna be more convenient. Then tap on Done to confirm. And as you can see, the watch is connecting. It says connection successful, and the network will appear right here on the list, which means that the watch is connected to it. And then we can press the back button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.